Because I dislike pumpkin pie, I came up with the pumpkin cake. I have to do my pan first. I put a little butter. Always start with this. Then I will put 1 cup pumpkin mix, pie mix. Then I can add my flour. So that's, I am showing you how easy to make this cake. Sugar, my baking soda teaspoon, and my baking powder teaspoon. I mix this a little bit. And a pinch of salt. And the 2 eggs. But the recipe will be on the YouTube site. The exact measurement. Spoon, just mix it together. I can add a little clove, cinnamon, and a little nutmeg. Just this will give me my flavor. My cake, I don't put too much because this mix, pie mix, is already seasoned a little. Took this much. Okay, now let me put the butter. I slightly melt the butter because it's easier to mix. And your pumpkin dough is done, cake dough is done. Even tastes better if you put a little vanilla in it. A teaspoon of vanilla, and this cake will have the best taste. I told you to start with just pour it in. I turn my oven on for 375 and I will bake this for 35 to 40 minutes because I like the crispy edges. So that's what Bundt Cake is baking. I put a little instant vanilla pudding and mix it up with a little milk, make it smooth, and that's it with the. And now I can add my pumpkin pie mix. This will be my other flavor. Because I want this to get thicker, act like a cream. We have to make it smooth. I add a little sugar and a little clove to taste, little vanilla. That's why I didn't use too much milk, because I don't want this get soft, too soft. I want this act like a cream. And I put a little nutmeg, not much, and a little cinnamon. And I have my special rum, and this rum is giving the best taste to any cake. You can see what kind of product I am using on my Facebook, and I am under Gourmet Hungarian on Facebook too. Okay, I whipped the cream. Now I can add the pumpkin mixture, and then this will be staying in my fridge until I serve the cake. Pour that nice, gentle, and this will be my topping. I put this video on fast, make sure you have time to make it. And I think this will be my favorite for Thanksgiving from now on. The bundt cake is ready. Now I have to wait 5 minutes. Make sure this gets off from the edges and then I can turn it around. But you have to wait because the steam will help. After 5 minutes, comes out easier. And one side is light, the other one is dark, what I like because it gets crispy after cool off and it's delicious. So the pumpkin bundt cake is ready and I will show you how I serve it. It's delicious with just coffee. You can serve it like this, so many ways. Just with a little powdered sugar, looks very nice. Or you can make it like a cake. And you can put another little thing with a tiny whipped cream on top. You have plenty time to make it for Thanksgiving. I am telling you, it's delicious. And I wasn't fond of the pumpkin pie. And this, I think, will be my traditional cake for Thanksgiving in the future.